Hey, what's up, guys? Thank y'all for stopping and checking out this video. It's going to be a little review and a back office look at what we have here in Tradera. And if you haven't heard about the company, you must be under a rock or something somewhere because this thing is blowing up, helping a lot of people. This group is exploding. We This group has been in this company for a little over a month now, and we've grown to over 1,700 members, I believe. It's growing so fast it's hard to keep up with the numbers because of what this company is helping a lot of people achieve in a short time. And I just want to let you guys see that I am currently in the company. I'll go ahead on and log in right here. Okay, bam, I logged in. And I want to show you guys a little bit about what you get inside of Tradera. This is the back office. It's the overview. This is where your profile and big ugly link that you really don't want to promote. You want to get into this marketing system that we have only for our group members that you can use to promote this company, promote this opportunity. Um, and this is where the magic is, guys. Back here with the Forex side, you get trade alerts daily. I mean, it's the weekend right now, Saturday, so we're not getting trade alerts until probably Monday. They start trading Sunday evenings, 8 Eastern. You get these live trading sessions where you can sit in with the pros and trade along with them and really learn the ins and outs of Forex, all right? And this is the educational platform where you get the A's and B's, from A to Z about Forex. You study this, I'll give you 2 to 3 weeks and you'll really know what's going on in Forex and you'll be comfortable with trading live, actually. But I wouldn't trade live until you go through these things and really learn what's going on with this Forex education. Like I said, the live trading sessions are awesome, man. It starts Sunday evening, 8 Eastern, to Thursday, 8 Eastern, every evening. You get 5 days of trading with live sessions along with the pros. Like you're gonna get this stuff eventually. It's not gonna take a whole year for you to learn this stuff. It'll take a couple weeks, a month, just following along, learning the trends, learning the setups, everything you need to be successful in this Forex business, all right? So you also get fundamental analysis, market forecast to keep you abreast of what's going on in the markets. Any new developments, you'll get it right here. Um, and this is where you check on your rank analysis, where you are inside the business, um, how many people you have in the business, or where you sitting at to get to your next rank. Okay, your network, your downline, your genealogy, all that stuff is back here. Settings, subscriptions, your card details, support. Okay, and I'm just getting into the business, but I am building. I got only one in right now, but I will get to that founder position real soon to where I have this system will actually be free for me. And that's the other cool part about this. It's awesome. I mean, you'll have this thing free after you refer 3 customers into the business. I mean, it's amazing. I don't know how many other systems or businesses you can join where you can actually have it free with only 3 people. It's not like any other businesses where you have to bring in 10, 15, 20 people before you can see some benefit, make some money or something like that. But this one is only 3 people, and through the comp plan, which I'm about to show you guys in a little bit, is the same thing. You only need your personally enrolled 3 to win in this business. Okay, and I'll show you guys that real quick. Maximize that. Bam. Now this is the real magic. This is where people come and see this stuff and like just lose it. Okay. First rank you're gonna get is when you have your 3 personals referred. You have 3 team members. It's founder. You get a free membership. Okay. Next rank, night. That's when you start making money, baby. 125 a week, 500 a month residual, and your personals, same three, but your team has to grow to 10, and it has to be in this format: 4, 4, and 2. And you have full control of the back office and where people go once they enter your program, once they enter your business, your organization. You get to place them just like this. Next rank, Noble. That's 250 weekly. All right, that's easy. $1,000 a month. Same three personals. Your organization grows to 25, and it has to be formatted like this: 10, 10, and 5. Bishop, 500 residually weekly. That can change a lot of people's situation right now. All right, 2 grand a month residually. That would help a lot of people. That definitely helped me. I don't know about everybody else, but shit, 2 grand a month, I'm good. But I wouldn't stop there, not at all. All right, 3 personally referred, same 3. Organization grows to 75 with this format. Duke or Duchess, 1250 weekly. That's where we start getting fun. All right, 1250 bucks a week. That's awesome. All right, same 3 personals right here. 3 personals that never changes all the way up. Right, your organization grows to 250 people with this format. Next rank, Prince or Princess, weekly bonus, 2,500 a week. Say that again. The love, right? And you can see the rest of this, it just keeps growing. But the thing that never changes is you only need these 3 personals. All right. So on the other side of that, all you're doing is building, and the people under you are building, building. And this is the rank that everybody's shooting for right here. Legend. I am legend. That's the hashtag in our group that everybody's trying to hold on to. Everybody's shooting for that legend. 5,000 people in your organization like this, 25 grand a week. Crazy. And look, y'all check out the link in the description. Get at me. I'm going to have my information down there. Let me know if you want to learn more about this. This is going to change a lot of people's lives. And this Big Will sounding out again. Let me know something. I'm going to put you on. Get into this money. All right? Peace. Be safe. Happy 2020. We're going to get through this, y'all. And Tradera going to make us our wallets happy. You hear me? Peace.